Eto, magluluto naman ako ng ground pork. Sasamahan ko siya ng chips flour. Chips flour daw po ito, sabi ni boss. Tapos may black preserved bean, may oyster sauce, may anong tawag dito? Garlic, asukal at century egg. Meron din po akong rice wine na isasama diyan. So, let's do it. Ito na ang kinabalabasan ng ating nilutong chips flour with ground pork and century egg. Thank you for watching, guys. So yummy. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification button para po ma-notify kayo once po na mag-upload ako ng bago. Thank you!